Price hit 50% of the zone. If yes, mitigated. If no, unmitigated. Price test 50% of the zone. Doesn't make no high or low. Higher probability fade the other side. Has to be a zone of trade. Price has to take something. Legal. Yeah, sorry about that. Running a little late, man. I woke up. Had to get my rest in, man. Long night last night. Looks like we opened slightly out of range in value. CPI. It's like we had quite the move. Right now, let's see. Slowly but surely making our way to what's this, 528? 538? Right now looks like we're in a pullback phase. Overnight low, line in the sand there. We got some overnight single prints to 400, which is also where VWAP is at. Could be looking for a retracement back into here. Okay, looks like we're just consolidating. Okay. I don't think we have any other news either. CPI was the only. Yes. CPI was the only catalyst today. Now we are below very low. We did tap POC already, rejected there. So Stokes on the 4K is down, 10K still resetting. So this could be interesting. Yeah, confirm close above. So I hold that. I honestly look for front run 400. If I get stopped out, it's fine. Took my rules 618, took one off. You don't close above here, probably gonna come back and take me out. The rest of it play out. Put it right at VWAP. Did say we had overnight single prints to like 400, so out front running right at VWAP. Have could be a double bottom. Close above. Can't close above right now. We can't close above violated law. So that's what we're rejecting right now. That's interesting. Could be another possible entry. Pull down 45 possibly. Let's see. At them pivot point, PP again. But I get in 43. Still got time. No need to do anything. It's gonna go to break even automatically anyway once it hits 10. So Jesus, it's just rejecting though heavy. It's the only thing I don't like, but only a minute into the trade. 2 minutes now. I don't want to see that confirm. Close there. I want to see it sweep, but I just gotta let it do what it do. For 3 minutes, it did hit 10 points. And I should have took one off. Or I should have took the whole thing. But all right, I broke my rule once today. I can't break it no more. I was supposed to take one off at this. I was supposed to take at least one off, if not both. So that actually was a good trade for me taking it up to 618. 4K ain't really give me much. Come back here. I'm coming down below. Overnight low. I'd imagine. Single prints, and then maybe try to find support in here. Take this overnight low out. Single prints. Filling in these single prints. Now we broke below overnight low. So I'm looking for further down action. Probably support here. If not support here, oh, this on a 10K. Actually could be a 10K demand zone as well. But I marked it as a 4K. That's why I took it off. But it's kind of both. Filling these single prints. Find some support in here. Possibly. If not, then yesterday's low. We got a ton of stuff before that. We got yesterday's very high. I mean, not yesterday's, day before yesterday's very high again. Here that we could find that support. Damn, is there more news? They cleared the paint off of something. Speakers. That's about it. I do think we're coming down here. 30-year bonds at 1. That's about it. All right, we're gonna come back, test opening range low. We'll be coming back, testing here. All right. They will jet right off of the opening range low. But yeah, we didn't hit 50%. I don't like when we get that close to 50%. I feel like it's gonna be like one more sweep, possibly, and then we fold over. I'm gonna just delete those single prints. I mean, it's like 2 ticks left. Let's sweep this. Could have a nice little bounce here. Let's see. Well, could reject here or even here or even only to here. So this could be failure though. Closed. Light closure inside, but that's rejection there. Some strong buying. Still got orders at 300 though. Interesting. Coming to there as well. I mean, these normally don't hold up, but these like rally based rallies, but it did create a, I mean, drop based drops or rally based rallies. They normally don't hold. So let's see how we react around here. Confirm like that. Swept that. Swept that. Kind of back above opening range right now. We did close above it, so we could be coming for 400 now. Interesting PA for sure. They make a double top here. This is interested to see now if last through, and that's what it looks like. I mean, this is strong buying up. This is like this is some strong buying. We didn't even get to 50% here. And then here we didn't even get a pullback. So took that out. Now they fucking coming in with some heavy selling pressure, it looks like, kind of. These normally don't hold. We at least break back there. Confirmed here. Top really should be here, but might be a. I think it's my first bad trade. Once this thing closed, kind of knew what it was. Hey, let's see what we get here. This is yeah. It's kind of what I should have waited. I should have waited for this type of PA. See if we come down here. Kind of confirm what I was kind of looking for. No way. I gotta go to break even there. That was on. I was about to be a one tick warrior. Been upset about it. Wait for us now. Possibly retest back into here. It's a strong reaction. That is a strong reaction. That does not say we want to come down. Yeah. Still got in late. I should have been in right here, but it printed so fast. This could possibly be a double top. Possibly, but 4K is looking good. Excuse me, 10K is looking good. I mean, just from 10K perspective. Trying to bounce 30. Could come back down. 24, 39, 22. So at the VWAP. We are above opening range though, so I'm gonna put a little bit more weight on the opening range. Yeah, so uh VWAP is more of like dynamic, meaning like so it moves as price moves around, where opening range is more static, where it's just once it's set. So it's a little bit, it's like telling me two different things at the moment. Above opening range, but below uh, VWAP. So let's just wait. But this confirm the double top there. Now probably coming down here, maybe even a little bit lower. But if we confirm here, this is failure of the double top, and now we're going to continue up. Test it back in here. Gotta confirm though. Want to see it confirm, bang. Then we finally push through here, I think. That's confirmation. Very well could be wrong, but test it here. Low is really here. I want to put a 20-point stop loss though. Uh, yeah, I'm just following the rules of my system right now, man. Even if this run, whatever, I took this off the 618. I'm taking my 10 and going. I could aim for 20, but yeah, no. The last two trades I aimed, well, the first two trades I aimed for 20 on those, and no bueno. So I'm gonna just scalp away until price gives me a reason not to. And I could kind of get a feel like this might have been the one to hit 400, but yeah, no, man. I'm not even fine. Put the rules there for a reason, so let me just scalp away. Now, do we want to hold here or very well? I hit some bear diff, so gotta be aware of that. Me also too, if we want to really be technical, this could just be Jesus. That's a hell of a reaction. Really should be long though, right here, because took that out. Still respect it. Every move though doesn't deserve an entry. There's a move though to the upside, in my opinion. But not even my opinion. What Price told me. Hey, could be 419 or could be even overnight POC at 444. See what Price wants to do. This on the 10K too. 10K still has some room to the upside. This PA is like not the, it doesn't look the cleanest, but structurally it's still the same. So kind of got to treat it the same. It's just difficult when you like, when it ain't like perfect, but that's why I've just been trying to like see the setup and react. All right, map it out ahead of time. All right, Price did this, Price did that. All right, enter. Like right here, I should have been in here. Here, my stop would have been like here, and I'd be out already. But swept here, perfectly traded right back into here. I really could have front ran and it got long here if I really wanted to, and then he probably now, I'd imagine. K is looking a little top 10K still has a ton of room now. And here, 419 to 444. Right here. Or yeah, overnight PLC is looking more and more likely. I don't know if I'm gonna find a way to get involved unless we, same way we came up, we come back down, find some support, and then might have one more leg up to swing. I don't think they're gonna get down that far. That range been the one. How's it come back down, possibly somewhere in here. Find support. See that being okay. What do we got here? I mean, that I want to kind of see that low hold if we are gonna continue from here. I don't know if oh, that's 10K still. Still got one. Even with CPI, price is still doing what it's been doing all week. Monday, man, that might be. I'm telling you, that's a thing. Monday dictates kind of how PA might be for the week. We've had this type of PA all week, which is why those first two trades, I don't know why I just didn't take the whole, just stick to my time frame rule. Yeah. Technically, it closed here above, came back retest 30. So now we could be coming all the way back down to 28. 328 possibly. 16 here. That 328. Wait, 345 or 328. We got something there. Or we can come back and test 373 as well. Definitely see this as a thing. This is a double top. You want to see it break below here if we are. Then you're done. If not, then it's kind of I'll be surprised if this holds, but it very well hold. Confirm here. So confirm here. Price moving janky. We got 10 minutes until initial balance is closed. Initial balance closes. Yeah, CPI, excuse me, CPI didn't make all the noise I thought it was gonna make. I mean, it made some good noise. You not say that, but it didn't make as much noise as I thought. Uh, get down in here. Let's see if we find some support, or do we find support on PLC? Get a little bit further. Bear div again. Look at this. Hey. $10K still have room. So it flipped here because it's still confirmed. So this technically is a flip. Yeah. And it just stacked 100 orders right here. After more orders. It- Either we're coming down further or we're just looking to find support in here. I think if we do break through that, coming for initial balance. Jesus. Okay. Ah, we didn't even. Like that was a good trade. I just thought if we break through that, we was gonna continue up, but no. I think it's could have one more try. We confirm like this though, then down we go. Now we might violate 94. It's a little bit weaker now. Oh, here, especially. Yes. Oh, oh, we still have 4 minutes until initial balance closes. Okay. Now it makes sense. Now it makes sense. Tell you when this gets lifted, that gets lifted. Believe you me. I think it's just waiting for initial balance to close. It's a lot of buying volume for price not to get through there. They are holding it. That's what that indicates. Look, now we're delayed. What is so important about it? It's like when the there it goes. Now they bought it up. There it goes. There it goes. Let the top off. Now I want to see us come back, test one more time. One more time down to 84 or something. Then Down a little bit further. Just a tad bit further. I don't know if we're gonna get that though. Still got about a minute until initial balance closes. Now we're just stuck between tight range right now. 462. I definitely think overnight PLC is gonna get tested. It's the retest. Yeah. Damn, where did volume just go? Volume just fell off a cliff. Oh, that's interesting. Volume fell off a cliff there. All right, now it's back. Oh, initial balance is closed now. So, can we get a test down to VWAP around that area, please? Pretty please. And then, all right, just go from here though. At this point, kind of look like that's what it wants to do. So for me, it's a no trade. Love for this to flush here, come back, find support here, and then go. Crazy things, I could short into this technically, but above VWAP, look for longs. Above VWAP, above opening range. Okay. A little strong there, but up here. For that, now close above, back above. If not, then we could be coming down further, but they still have some this point. $70, right? Hmm. That was interesting. Firm. Now bottom if we close back above. This is interesting. That's like this is like the little nuance. This is like it's up to you, see. uh, 'Cause technically we did not confirm. This is the nuance of 4K's toppy. Maybe down further. Possibly. Keep in mind of that as well. Again, nuanced. You. We could be coming all the way back down here, man. Please take this out first. Maybe find some support here. Yep. Maybe I should draw this out. Just. Yeah. Up. Right. Perfect, but that's a hell of a reaction. Technically, this is all internal, but let's sweep this and okay. Let's see. What? Could be a rejection here. did just stack orders here too at 62. Just interesting. They kind of did what they did up here. Uh, it's a tough little spot because this is a rejection, and I mean this kind of took out the high already here. So now this confirms like this. Probably gonna take out this. Got to get through that wall. Technically, should be in already. Yo, monkey. Yeah, this shit is. I mean, this is Monday's PA. A whole week. CPI didn't even change what how price is moving. We had that spike at the news. That's it though. This is a tough spot. I mean, I like the short here actually, but I'm trying to see if yeah, high time frame still looks good though. I'm thinking maybe we come down a little bit further, somewhere in here, around here. So that's what I'm really trying to play. But this wall, I mean, they got this wall sitting here. So that's the only thing that's has me like these 100 orders are just sitting here. They're using it as a it looks like protection. I mean, they did that at the top too. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to see. If they want to get filled or if they don't want price to go lower. So, I mean, now we're coming back to origin right here. Here. 743. So, see how we play up in here. But, I mean, this looks strong. No closure. Higher probability says we take out initial balance. Wall sitting right there. A lot of business being done in this area. So yeah, that was a tough read for me. Couldn't really get a read on. It's like maybe we might go lower, but then this kind of gave it away. This high fell, swept right in there, right here. So now just we very well could just tap here, and now we come all the way back down. So do think we're coming to this overnight PLC though. At 45. Didn't even close above initial balance. We just tapped it and sold right off. And now they pulled that order at 62. Yo, this shit might just dump. Now they're stacking orders here. What do we want to do, Price? What do we want to do? Excuse me. Ali. Yeah, I'm thinking overnight PLC as well. We got orders sitting there, orders sitting at 63. So just no, I don't have an entry, so gotta watch it play out. Unless I could get an entry before we get to 45, but I don't know if I'll maybe here I could possibly get one. Only thing is I don't like the 618 Stokes being so high, and we're not trending at all. Like this is clear as day. There's no trend, so I kind of gotta respect the stochastics, the momentum at the moment. I mean, we could take this out, find some support here, but imagine we take this out, come back down further, down to 82. that'll be. What the hell I just do? I mean, we probably come down further. 76, possibly. Took that out. This is like the origin. This could very well be a double bottom here. If we confirm close above here. Uh, want to see it close above here if we are gonna, preferably on this candle. I would like to see that happen. If that doesn't, yeah, volume just dropped off again. Technically, didn't. Let's go ahead and take that because we didn't. Context, we did break that low. We didn't close below it, but we broke it. So come back to origin, bang, down we go. Yeah, I'm not even. I'm not trying up here. I'm not trying to long up here at all. Want to see us come down, find support somewhere in the here. Oscillators. I want to see at least the 618 come down some for at least a scout, but it's doing a lot of business in this area. Just the top of the range. Since it started, bottom of the range, I say 53. And they pulled those orders at 62, so that's kind of what has me like, we're probably gonna run through this entire thing unless they step back in. If they step back in here, possibly sweep this. If they don't step back in, I don't see 62. I don't even see this holding. This is a strong push down. I mean, it's a strong push up, so we're kind of getting the same action on the way down, but it's gonna be a little bit more violent on the way down. Usually is. Okay, got. They stepping back in. You don't confirm. I'm not taking the long. You gotta confirm above. Nope, no long. Gotta close above here. Confirmation again. Still can't close above here. Down we go. Still trying to hold up, but that's kind of what you want to see. Trade for me, I don't like really though. I mean, that is what you wanted to see. What that? Close above. At least come take out 95. Imagine I missed my opportunity. Now could run from here, but it's I want to at least see it take out here on this leg up. You start confirming a local top here, then it's just setting up to come back down. Very well could be the case. Look, they had hit 100 there. Yeah. They added 100 there. And they added another 40 here. He took away 40 here. Let's see. See what they want to do. Kind of where you would want to get in at. And just run 401. stacked a bunch of liquidity above it. Trying to test it into here. Close above it, do we? Or do we not? No closure. Okay. Everything is saying down, but longest 415 holds. This is 41450 holds. I think we're good. 406 we got to get above too, which is it's like here. That could be looking to get filled to continue down. So who knows? All I know is right now, Bears are well, nobody's really in control, honestly. It's just a back and forth. This is like nothing. I do think we're coming down, man. Somewhere in here, find support. Possibly even all the way down here. Yo, I'm tell you what, whichever side this breaks out of, they just pulled this at let's pull 42 orders there. Whichever side this comes out of, it's gonna be a big move. I mean, structurally, we still look good to the upside. I would like to see us come down some more, get these 4K stokes some time to reset. Even 10K now, 10K. I'm gonna see it come down some more because we're not trending. So I'm holding more weight on these at the moment. And anything here taking off this 618 is 10 and out. Heck, man. I mean, that's technically. But along there, take that out. Bang, bang. Bouncing right off opening range high again. Yeah. You want to reject here? POC right here. We've just been playing, honestly, the value rate low from yesterday and the POC from yesterday. That's all we've been playing. We get to overnight POC, we'll probably tap value rate high at 460, I believe. We do have orders up that way, so price just needs to decide what it wants to do. Yeah, at the moment, we are rejecting here. Kind of are clearing the paint for us to come up here though. So this is interesting. I wouldn't mind a test at 350. Really wouldn't. I mean, we're just gonna trade from the inside. This could be looking to get filled and not necessarily. APA is reading, man. This could be looking to get filled. Long as 415 holds. Filled. Pretty, I'd say pretty easily too. Either way, that got filled pretty easily. So I think bulls are like in control. Let's see. Damn, it's not even gonna give me a pullback. Oh man. I like this confirmation, but Jesus. This is a big ass confirmation candle, man. Risk to reward. I like. Trying to be patient here. Not even a minute into the trade, so don't like that though. Must say, not like that. But fine with taking the L here. That is the I'm cool with that loss. Didn't like that. I mean, I could have got out right there once that closed, but oh, you better not. You better not. Now you're gonna fold. Really should have put my stop here probably, but no, you better continue up. Is what you better do. It's technically a flip. Back for the retest. Oh, you slide devil, you should have. That's what I should have waited for. But I thought it was a double top kind of deal. I mean, it still could go either way, but the longer we stay like this, the more price says it wants to come down. Go for it again. Uh, opt out on a 618. I can't even. I don't even want to take it at a new high, but it does look good. Uh, let this one finally broke out. Just one little quick retest. Come on. think I'm gonna get it until until we tap here. Why? Why you did this? You did this to me. This could be a momentum play, but volume is here. But I already know I'm gonna get long here. It's gonna pull back and then go. So, I mean, it works until it doesn't. That's its confirmation. I could be long right here, right now. Now, if we close here, close above here, that could be something. I saw for initial balance high. Come back. So, okay. B could be test spot. Hmm. Let's see. Hey. Hey, what the hell? Overnight PLC is just sitting right there. Problem is, it's no volume. So, do we want to come down lower and to get there, or that is a question. We confirm this candle, but it don't look like it's gonna confirm. All right, can we now close above it or no? Looks like the oscillators want to reset, so all right. They are just pushing it. I want to see that close. I'll be comfortable with taking a long, but we cannot. Thinking too much on that one. I'm gonna be patient. Gotta be patient. I'm only 2 minutes into the trade. We already hit 10. So I'll just leave it at break even. If it come back, then this might be what it is. Sure don't want that. Like to see it go from here, but should have took the 10, man. Low volume. Broke the rule twice today. Now it might go to sweep this, trade back inside. Trade back inside. At least take out this. Or trap me and give me the chase. Yeah, that was bad trade. This is bad trade management on me. Even if this works out, this is a bad trade by me. All right, what time? 11:30. Might take a break. Come back. That was bad trade management by me. Should have never. That's broke two rules. One, I didn't take at least one off at 10. And then two, I jumped right back in a trade after I just got out of one. So that's two rules I broke. That could send me to a dark place. So, uh, maybe I'll come back later, afternoon session, maybe, and trade. See if it gets any better. That was actually a good trade I took off the 618. I actually do like that trade. I just managed it wrong. And then even when I got stopped out break even, I really should be trying to get long somewhere in here. If I was gonna get long, it should be somewhere in here, not necessarily where I try to get long again. But probably did close above here, so we could be having a bigger retracement back. Yeah, this is kind of where I should have been waiting to get long. If I was gonna long again, shouldn't have jumped right back in here. Should have been around here. I want to be aggressive here. If I get stopped out, that's fine, but pausing. I'm fine if I get stopped out. I'm just not letting it go all the way back to break even. Then I'll come back afternoon, see if it's something. If it's nothing, then and normally net with low volume like this, normally should have anticipated that break here. See how this closes. Depending on how this closes, man, I'll get out. I want to see it close above here. We tap this, I'll go here. Go here. I'll go here. Push up. See it close above. I'm gonna get super. Yeah, I'll just get extremely tight because it's probably gonna take this out and then go. So we go or we don't, but that's fine. I'll take that. It's like a point, like 2 ticks away from my first target. So technically did close above, so that could hold. But yeah. I would have been good. I just mismanaged this one and then got emotional with this one. And if I would have just waited, I would have got exactly what I was looking for. So this is, I want to say this little sequence here I'll look at as like my worst trade. I'll say that. This one I wasn't too mad at. I mean, all we kept doing was back and forth. So I mean, top of the range, we rejected in a zone inside of here. So I mean, for me to even scalp this though, I should have just got in right away rather than waiting for confirmation. But and now price is probably gonna go to 450, even maybe even 460, which is very high, possibly. But yeah, that's uh that's on me on that one. This is probably my worst. Good trade, mismanaged, especially because of how low volume, price going on, mismanaged. Then this was emotional. Then this regathered myself. That was a good entry actually, and then managed it correctly. And my There'll be one more. No confirmation. You just gotta let it go. I mean, technically, don't want to see it get back below here if we are gonna go. So I feel like I'm just too late. Right here. Be out already. This is one of those discretionary ones where I gotta, the validation point would be here. Get in here, stop here. It's kind of perfect actually. Now though, I will have to get in here, stop here, and then here. I didn't mean to do that. I don't like when they do that though. See where price wants to go. It wants that 60 very, very high. Just I just missed this trade though. Uh, yeah, on that note, man, I'm gonna call it. Um, yeah, I mismanaged a couple trades. I did. Overall though, I think I traded pretty good. I was quite patient. Um, like I said, this is my only real fumble, I'd say. Everything else I managed pretty well. I at least was taking one off. Yeah, so I think I did pretty well. You guys trade safe. I'll be on tomorrow.